We are going to spend the night here in Monsaraz. I don't have any idea what this place is like. The only thing I know is the castle, and the population is about 800 people. So let's take a trip. We're going to take a walk through here. We're going to show you where we stay and enjoy some of the sights. Let's hit Monsaraz. Let's go. Welcome to Monsaraz. This is a cool little side street here. I mean, just look at what, the foundations of these buildings built on the rock here, which that's kind of cool. So here is where we are staying for the night. A little dark in here, but really pretty cool. I mean, I love the plates on the walls, which is room 15. And Carrie got us a garden view. So let's take a peek. Here is our room. Carrie's already taken a little rest. Very comfy and cozy, but wait till you get a picture of this. This is our view for the night and the morning. Oh, castle walls on the side, countryside view. Great pic, babe. Good job. One of the first things you see as you're coming up that little gate to the right, you're going to see this amazing church building. So we found out yesterday they still hold bullfighting sessions in this ring every single year. How cool would that be to come and witness that? Now it's not the old traditional one where they kill the bull in the ring. So it's kind of a cool little thing, something that they've carried on throughout the ages here in this little town of Monsaraz. I love those cool little boxes that they have up there. I wonder what they represented or what they had. Were they private seats or something? Were they the first luxury skybox? I don't know. Then you also notice, I don't know but I saw this down here. Huh. Wonder what that is. Wonder if it was like a little place where maybe they had a fire or something to create and generate a little bit of heat. Don't know. All right, now up another set of stairs. I'll tell you what, they got some workout back in the day. Now the famous princess window. The other thing the lady told us in the wine bar last night is that every year in September they have a mini running on the bulls. It's really just one bull that runs through the streets here. And at the end, they kill the bull and everybody gets to feast. September, come here if you want to run with the bulls. And then what's cool is you got this like little city wall. I haven't walked around enough, but this seems to go around the entire place, and you have little spots like this. Wow. That's amazing. We're staying up right around the corner and we saw this. We think it was the same place that we saw on a YouTube video on being able to have some wine sitting up on the terrace. And so we came in here to check this place out. Wasn't sure if this was it, but yeah, this is a great spot. We got a glass of red, we got a glass of white wine, all local wines. Come down here, you can even have a little wine tasting tour. And so then you'll come out here and then you'll come up. This is the way to cap off a great day. I mean, that's cool. What's that? Still working on my Portuguese a little bit. Now, I don't know if I'm allowed to walk up here, but I'm gonna do it though. I hope I don't get in trouble. Wow, that's cool. Little restaurant right here. Oh, that's awesome. I mean, look at that view out here. Oh.
In the late 70s, a group of amateur photographers entered a photo contest in the region of Monsaraz. What you see displayed throughout the streets is a collection of those photos in black and white that display the culture, the heritage of these proud people. Now, while in this town, take the time to stop and enjoy each photo.
Look at those doors, archways, you know, corners like this that I think obviously is modern, but then you see little things like this that are, you know, part of the old building and the new incorporated in it. All right, so the church wasn't open all day yesterday, so this is Our Lady of the Lagoon Church. So we're gonna go check inside. The service isn't until 5 o'clock tonight, so we're not able to go, but we're gonna go in and take a look. But this is pretty, it's not very big. Obviously, you only got a town of about 800 people. Oh. I mean, just look at these columns and the designs on them. All right, so coming up on this building here, from what I've gathered so far, is it's Fort Bento de Amedia, or Media. I'll spell that. And place here is wonderful because it's such an epic viewpoint of Monsaraz. Let's enjoy some of it as I just walk around and we see the sunset. All right, so our time in Monsaraz is over. Boy, I wish we could have spent all day here yesterday, but Evora was a blast as well. If you are in Portugal, you have to make Monsaraz a stop. It is absolutely breathtaking. You can spend an entire day here, even though it's a town of only 750, 800 people. This place is picturesque from one corner to the other. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you can subscribe to our channel. As always, keep dreaming and travel safe.